What's up, everybody? Remember, if you are new here and haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and check out our Patreon. While this video is getting edited,
hi, nap time.
she's sleeping in the V-berth. So let's get to it and enjoy the video and subscribe. Good morning, everybody. This is day 2 of being on board the boat full time. So we're gonna go to the shower house, take a shower, get cleaned up. I need to get the radio working today. For some reason it's not powering on like it used to. And that's pretty much what my goal is for the day, since we're not in a hurry to go anywhere. So let's get to it. It's really wobbly. I don't know if the camera's showing it or not, but this is like normal to me now. I get out on the dock and it's bad. I don't know about you guys, but all this setting is eating my lunch. I'm waiting for it about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna go in the water underneath. I gotta make sure I got zincs on the prop shaft because they splashed the boat before I got there, so I wasn't able to check that. So I'm gonna check that. I'm gonna check my transducer for my Simrad because it's reading kind of wonky sometimes. And then I think a manatee came up and hit it and knocked it kind of sideways. And then we'll get some underwater footage of that. I got my diving goggles and stuff up here, and it should be great. Not looking forward to it. I just found out that my radio shot. I hooked it directly to the batteries and it still won't come on. The fuse is good. I tried to look for a reset button, couldn't find one, but it's done. So the wife says we'll get another one. So yeah, boat money, bust out another 1,000.